GROUPBY and PIVOTBY do what previously required pivot tables, but with the flexibility of formulas. They're the most requested functions in Excel history. GROUPBY takes row fields, values, and an aggregation function to create group summaries. Think of it as a formula-based pivot table that returns a spilled array and updates in real time. PIVOTBY adds a column field to create cross-tabulation summaries. It generates a matrix with row labels, column headers, and aggregated values, exactly like a pivot table, but as a live formula. Both functions accept lambda for custom aggregation logic, calculate weighted averages, percentiles, or any custom metric, capabilities that require calculated fields in traditional pivot tables. I build the same summary report 3 ways: manual formulas, pivot table, and GROUPBY/PIVOTBY. The formula approach is faster to create, easier to customize, and integrates with other dynamic array formulas. GROUPBY and PIVOTBY are the future of data summarization in Excel. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with new Excel features.